Imagine this, guys. Look at that. Look, check this out. Dometic, and it's an air tent as well. Not bad. Look at this. This is actually huge, isn't it? I like it. So again, it's your air beams, look. And I believe it's got 5 air beams. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then probably one at the back. These are the rooms, look. The rooms are huge. And then you've got the storage bits here. All the way down. You've got your side windows as well. This even undoes as a little window. Then you've got this down here where your electric hookup point would go as well. Obviously that's your window that's folded down. This door comes across. This comes across to the thing here. And again here you've got the door on this side as well. And another point here, look, for your EHU. It's a pretty good tent though. It's a big box as well. But no, I like this tent. I do like this tent. Very spacious.